Hi, my name is Bash Harry and welcome to my channel. So recently I've been seeing a lot of YouTubers doing the I tried following / recreating this YouTuber's makeup tutorial, and I thought I would jump on the bandwagon while it's dying because, you know, that's just me. But instead of doing like Nikki Tutorials or Jaclyn Hill, I wanted to go for the OG, the original Michelle Phan. Michelle Phan is the OG beauty guru makeup tutorial person. I think everyone knows who she is. Like, she started off doing makeup and then she grew into this giant empire, and now she doesn't do YouTube anymore, but you know, I still watch her videos because it's actually pretty cool. So the one I'm going to be recreating is the Barbie Transformation tutorial, hence why my face is very pink, and so is my shawl, and so is this shirt. Okay, the shirt is maroon, but I don't have a lot of pink. I don't wear a lot of pink. The Barbie makeup YouTube video is about 9-10 years old, I'm guessing, and is one of her most popular. And why not compare makeup 10 years ago and the trends compared to now? I know the Barbie Transformation video is supposed to be like for Halloween and stuff, but okay, Barbie is Barbie. I'm guessing you can wear her any other day. So anyway, let's get started. This is so old school.
Barbie's skin is flawless, so start off with acne serum that reduces blemishes and large pores. I'm using IQ's acne serum.
I don't have the IQ acne serum, but I do have the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use that. Just a tiny amount will cover the face, so why not use a lot?
Dark circles are almost impossible to cure, but I use Strivectin eye cream because it does lighten up my dark circles and keeps my eyes hydrated.
Okay, I don't have that either, but I do have the Brighten My Day by Philosophy, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use that. Just a little bit of a pump. Ooh, I think I applied too much. This feels like too much. Freshly primed.
Now create a flawless canvas by using foundation and spray the foundation on the back of your hand.
I don't think I've ever used an airbrush foundation. Don't think I want to. Like, applying it on your hand or wherever, like your face, it just looks like a huge mess.
It's best to use a stippling brush because the brush applies foundation evenly across the face.
I have a stippling brush. I hate it. I don't like using stippling brushes. They're just not good for my skin. I feel like coverage gets everywhere. But since she uses it in this tutorial, I'm gonna use it. She's right though, it gives a lot of coverage. The reason why I don't like stippling brushes is just because it gives too many streaks. Because I like to blend my foundation downwards and then blend it in with a sponge. With this, no matter which direction you blend into, you'll always see the streaks coming out, and it does not look good on the skin. I feel like I need more coverage and like a beauty blender. Has anyone actually enjoyed using a stippling foundation brush? If you do let me know and give me tips on how to use it, because clearly I don't. I look like a pale zombie. More so than usual.
Now moving on to my favorite concealer called Amazing Concealer. This concealer is seriously...
I left my concealer. Give me a minute. So she uses Amazing Cosmetics. I'm gonna use Maybelline Fit Me.
So use a tiny amount, cover your dark circles or any other imperfections.
She uses her fingers. Oh, shoot, I have to use my fingers. I don't use my fingers for anything. Okay, I think the problem is I used liquid concealer and she used cream. And cream is definitely easier to blend out with your fingers rather than liquid. But we're not gonna care today, because I'm doing the best I can, and that is enough.
Here, I'm using La Mer's powder. When it comes to using loose powder, I prefer to use a powder puff. I use a powder puff for loose powder because sometimes when you want to use a brush, it can smear the texture that you've already created using your stippling brush.
She uses a powder puff and La Mer powder. I've got NARS, and this powder puff I got from Poundland. Do you hear that sound it makes? Oh, it's getting everywhere. My foundation's cracking around my nose. And around my mouth.
And with a light hand, lightly run the brush along the sides of your nose.
Oh shit, that's too dark. I don't like contouring my nose. I think it's fine the way it is. Stop putting your expectations on me, Barbie. That one's really dark. I'm gonna use my finger to blend that out first.
To feather out the hard edges. This will make it appear more natural looking.
Wait, what? Did she highlight?
Now let's move on to eyeshadows.
Ooh, she's using the Coastal Scents 88 palette. When I was younger, I wanted that palette so badly just because there were so many colors. but I don't have that. But I do have the Mini Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place, so I'm just gonna use this. Okay, she's using a light blue color, which seems more like an off-white cool tone color. This palette doesn't have it. It's very, very bright blue. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use Zola. Not gonna regret this at all. Oh shit, that's very blue. And that's it, you're done.
Take a matte white color and apply it along the inner corner of your eyes.
I don't have a matte white, but I do have a shimmering off-white. This is from Makeup Geek in Shimma Shimma. She's bringing it over her eye socket, so into the crease, which is what I'll be doing. Ooh, I have so much to ask about this makeup look. Wait, did she do her brows? I haven't done my brows yet. We'll keep going, we'll keep going.
And apply it above the crease.
What kind of brush is she using? It's a dome-shaped brush. It's not a blending brush, it's just a dome-shaped brush. Don't have that, but I do have a pointed pencil brush, which is what I'm gonna be using. Oh shit.
Build up the intensity and create a hard edge.
I should have done Seductive Vampire. I should have done something that I could go out and... Do I look like a Barbie doll yet? She does it like this, hence why I'm not blending. I want to blend out so badly. Oh my goodness gracious, okay. I have class in an hour. How does this one look less pigmented than the other one?
Take a dark blue color. Here I like to mix in my own colors. And outline your crease.
She says she's mixing colors, but she's adding blue and purple together, so I'm just gonna add blue and purple together. I know Barbie is a cartoon character, I get it, this is supposed to be a cartoonish look. I just wish I should have thought this or remembered before I decided to film when I had class in like an hour. Oh, she's lining her eyes with it too. I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world, imagination, life is in creation. Her makeup looks much less pigmented, but so much better than mine.
Using drugstore false lashes, apply a thin strip of glue and place it as close to your lash line as possible.
So they're kind of spiky, and the only ones that I've got that are relatively similar is the one I got from Makeup Gallery at Poundland. So I'm just gonna use that one. She's not wearing mascara either. Oh, girl, you're killing me here. I should have cut these lashes. Oh, it got my eye. It got my eye. Why did I think I could do this? Okay, I'm so done with the lashes.
Don't forget your lower lash line. Cut one false lash in half and apply it on the lower lash line.
Okay, fine. We'll do that lash and then we're over. We're done. I've never liked lower lashes. I think they look creepy and doll-like, hence why they're in the video. This is the wrong kind of eyelash. I'm crying, I'm crying. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I'm crying. I'm crying. Beauty is pain. And these eyelashes hurt. Oh god damn you, Poundland. Yeah, take these off. These are baby cry. Oh my god. We'll skip the lower lashes. We'll skip the lower lashes.
Take pink blush. I'm actually using pink eyeshadow and apply a generous amount on your cheekbones.
No, I'll just use this. This is the Sleek Trio Blush by Blush palette. I'll just use this. It's fine. Don't worry about it.
This is the time to accessorize using Lancome's Rock Icon Fuchsia lipstick. Apply the lipstick.
Don't have that, but I do have like fuchsia lip gloss.
As you can see, this creates that doll-like lips. Now we're finished. You should look like a plastic Barbie doll.
Do I look like a plastic Barbie doll? You decide. I know my answer. Don't be honest. I know exactly how beautiful I look today. Anyway, I'm just gonna head to class that I've got in another 30 minutes. I'm gonna at least remove the lashes because they're poking into my eyes. So if you like this video, do like, comment, and subscribe. Do the usual stuff. If you want to have notifications, you can click the bell down below. If not, just go ahead and subscribe because that would be very, very, very nice. As usual, my name is Harry, and thanks so much for watching. Bye! Oof. Oh my god.